You can use Copilot to help analyze data and information in different types of files. Today, we're in Copilot Chat, which allows me to reference different files, different meetings, different people, and ask Copilot to help me analyze them. So in this example, what we're going to do is we're going to ask Copilot to help me as I prepare for a project review board meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the prompt that I prepared earlier. This prompt is telling Copilot who they are. So it's given them a role. So it's saying you are a project manager and you're creating a report for a project review board. So when I'm asking Copilot to help me, I want to tell it who it is. I want to tell it some context, why I'm asking it for this information. Then I'm going to ask Copilot to review the data in a file. So let me reference the file. And the file I'm going to reference is an Excel file with some project management data. So this is things like tasks and dates due and costs and so on. What I've asked it to then do is identify any trends, highlight risks, and provide any recommendations to help me as I prepare for my project review board meeting. Now, you could actually do this through in Excel. So I could open up Excel and ask Copilot to analyze information, but it will just give you a pivot table. It will analyze it in an Excel type of way. But I actually want the analysis to come in from sentences. I want it to explain, the risks and help me with this meeting. So I'm going to hit send. And what you'll see is it's going to review that Excel file and it's going to provide me with a list of trends and risks. So you'll see here it's identified trends. There's a project kickoff task that has been completed, but it took longer. There's some risks where there's a critical path and that could impact the project timeline. The recommendations is that, we need to clarify the requirements as soon as possible so we don't delay. We want to regularly update the data so, decisions can be informed properly and so on. So you'll see it gives me a different type of analysis. So if I did this in Excel, it would provide me with a pivot table of data where actually I want it to tell me about the risks, analyze it, and explain it back to me. So hopefully that's a quick tip when you are trying to analyze lots of data in an Excel file. You don't have to do it in Excel. You can do it in Copilot Chat and get a different response.